This video shows you how to upload a document to your Connect account. Log in to your Connect account. Go to floridajobs.org and select Claimants in the top right-hand corner. Read the claimant warning notice. Select I acknowledge I have read the above and click Next. Enter your Social Security number or claimant ID and PIN. Select Login. Go to your claimant inbox. Select the issue date of the fact finding with the action requested status. Select Browse at the bottom of the page to search your computer for the document you need to upload. Note that you may need to scan and upload your document to the computer first. Select the file you want to upload and click Add. Repeat these steps for each document you need to upload. When you are finished uploading all your documents, click Submit. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.